This is a Seawall inspection conducted by SeaMeDive for Green Coastal Engineering in Miami Beach. The property we're inspecting is measured at 300 linear feet. It's a sheet piling steel seawall with a bulkhead poured in place concrete cap that was extended after the original pour, which you could see here at the end on the north end where we're going to start our inspection. The overpour is about another 12 inches on top of the original. This bulkhead to the north is the city bulkhead, and further down from where we are, about 50 feet down, you can see the cap is really damaged. It's a lower wall, and it appears to be flooding this property from the north side. General condition of sheet pile is fair. It's well embedded. There's some small rusting and spotted corrosion areas that rust bleeding through the concrete. The wall is plumb, appears to be structurally sound, and is vertically straight. Again, the beginning of the inspection is on the north perimeter, and direction of travel is going to be southward. Visibility is quite limited, therefore there's going to be some photos that are going to accompany this inspection, but the general condition is the same as on top as below. It's just covered with marine growth. As you can see, there's some areas where the tar epoxy is worn out, and there's some corrosion on the steel. Continuing southward. showing original expansion joint on the original cap. Small hairline crack, again some rusting coming through. Another hairline crack in the original cap, not in the overpour. This area here shows again some kind of a drainage pipe coming through the sheet pile. It looks to be pretty well sealed. There's a little bit of a cap damage here, spalling, and some rebar contamination. It's a small area. It's about 18 inches by 7 to 2 inches wide, depending on where. Easily repaired, and does not seem to be a structural issue. Here again, a little hairline crack with some rust and spalling. We're advancing towards the south end of the property. Again, giving you an outside view. Throughout the entire inspection, there's not been any undermining observed at the base of the wall. There's no leakage of topsoil. These sheet piles appear to be properly embedded in the berm, and most probably are making contact with some hard surface, rock or so forth. Again, the cap is in, the overpour cap is in good condition, and the seawall is stable. This inspection, again, was conducted by SeaMeDive in December 2020 in Miami Beach, Florida, on behalf of Green Coastal Engineering.